Greetings to my fellow residents of Kiambu County. This is Francis Karuri. And indeed, sisi wote tunajivunia maendeleo ambayo tumeletewa na gavana wetu Daktari Kimani Paul Wamatangi. Because since 2022 to where we are, 4 years of great achievement, 4 years of progress in Kiambu County, and 4 years of commitment to work and to delivering the plan to the people of Kiambu. In 2022, during the campaigns, he was not just speaking empty promises, but our governor was speaking the realistic promises that were meant to be fulfilled. When he came into the office, he came with a clear way of fighting against lack of employment in our county. From that, he went and